Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this learning basic sentence that is starting with I am, we are going to see in this video 5 basic sentence. The first one is I am reading. நான் வாசிக்கிறேன் is Tamil sentence. Next, I am studying in English. Now in Tamil, நான் படிக்கிறேன். I am eating. In Tamil, நான் சாப்பிடுகிறேன். I am driving. நான் ஓட்டுகிறேன். Now, next sentence. I am drawing. நான் வரைகிறேன். Now, the 5 sentences that we learned in this video. I am reading. I am studying. I am eating. I am driving. I am drawing. I hope so you guys will be going again through the video and you will find it easier so that you will be learning English soon. I hope so. So thank you friends for watching our videos at our thoughts, and thank you friends again. If you do have any suggestions, please comment below, and thank you for watching.